Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add products on Ecwid. First, open your browser and go to ecwid.com. Once you're there, sign into your account. This will take you directly to your Ecwid dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Catalog section, which you can find on the left-hand side. Then, click on Products. Here, you'll see all the products that you already have listed in your store. To add a new product, click on the Add New Product button. Now, start by uploading your product images. You can upload multiple images if you want. Once your images are uploaded, enter the product name in the field provided. Next, you can input the SKU, weight, and price for the product. If you need to, you can also add a description of the product, which helps customers understand what you're offering. In the description, you can also add additional images and videos if you want to make it more appealing. After entering the basic details, you'll see more options for customization. You can set a compare price, apply bulk discount options, and manage product availability. If you want, you can enable stock control to keep track of how many items you have in stock. If your product has different variations, such as sizes or colors, click on the Options tab. From here, you can add variants. For example, if you want to add size options, just enter size as the option name and then fill in the values like small, medium, and large. Next, if you're selling digital products, go to the Files section and upload the files customers will download after purchasing. For physical products, you can adjust the shipping and pickup options in the Shipping tab. If you want to optimize your product for search engines, head to the SEO section. Here, you can edit the meta title and description, which will be displayed on Google. Finally, you can add related products or enable the Buy Now button to encourage purchases. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click on the Save button at the top right. Your product will now be added to your Ecwid store, and you'll see it alongside your other products. And that's how you add a product on Ecwid. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.